Hey guys, Jeremy at Speedwerx here. Today we're talking about our brand new lift kit for the Can-Am HD11s. So 2026 model. It's going to cover your limiteds, your XT with a cab, your XMR, your Lone Star and your Lone Star with a cab. HD11, 2.5-inch lift kit. Retail price is $439.95. Machined from 6061 billet aluminum. These blocks will drop right in place. They're really slick. We'll show you in the video here of us putting them in, installing them and whatnot. One thing that really sets our lift kit apart from everybody else's, one is that they're billet and they look big, bulky, they look massive. You know, they're built the Speedwerx way, they're built to last. But we retain, when we do it, we retain the same angle on the shock as stock. We're not standing the shock up and making the valving and the spring rate much more effective. We're keeping that same angle. So at your lower speeds and for your smaller bumps and your chattery stuff, you're still gonna maintain that factory ride. Where it's not going to get all of a sudden stiffer and harsher like you will with other kits on the model. So that's one of the real things that sets our kit apart from everybody else's. It's 100% made in the USA. Like I said, 6061 billet aluminum. Retail price of $439.95. Obviously you guys can see the blocks. They look massive. They look super slick. Check them out on our website. If you got any questions, give us a call. We'll talk to you soon.